Hello everyone, welcome to NS Online. So as we all know, the response sheet of GATE 2021 is released. So you can go to the official website and check your response. And in this video, I'm going to discuss the possible answer of theory portion of section B. So let's start. So question number 1 says, which of the following represent non-growth associated product formation kinetics in bioprocess system? X and P denote viable cell and product concentration respectively. So if we look at option number second here, the product formation start at the stationary phase of the growth curve. So your possible correct answer could be this. Okay. Second, the enzyme that transcribe the eukaryotic gene encoding precursor ribosomal RNAs of 28S, 18S and 5.8S rRNA is. So your correct answer would be this RNA pol 1. So it is required for rRNA synthesis. RNA pol 2 is required for mRNA, and RNA pol 3 is required for your tRNA synthesis. Next question. So match separation method in group 1 with the associated properties in group 2. So in this question, your correct option is answer is this fourth one. The possible correct answer would be the fourth one, that is P21, that is centrifugation is associated with your density and dialysis is associated with your diffusivity, solvent extraction is with the solubility, and ultrafiltration with the size of the particle. Next question is which of the following is correct about microbial growth medium? So your correct answer would be could be the triptych, this one, the second triptych, soya agar is a complex media. Next question is match enzyme in group 1 with the corresponding industrial application. So amylase is used for laundry, invertase is associated with the liquefaction of sucrose, pectinase with the fruit juice clarification, and xanthylase with the pulp paper processing. So your possible correct answer is this one, fourth one. Next question is CRISPR-Cas system is associated with the adaptive immunity of the prokaryotes. The enzyme that add phosphate group to the free 5 terminus of a DNA sequence is. So your possible answer could be this polynucleotide kinase. Next question is a protein without its prosthetic group is known as apoprotein. Which of the following chemical messenger is or are derivatives of tryptophan? So indole free acetic acid, serotonin and melatonin could be your possible correct answer. Although this gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA, it is derived from your glutamic acid. In this question, your possible correct answer is mitochondrial inheritance. So because when the female is mutated, it shows all the progeny as a all progenies as mutated. Next question is which of the following statement is incorrect about hybridoma production? So your possible correct answer is this: the hybridoma cells are made to produce polyclonal antibodies. This is incorrect statement because hybridoma is used for monoclonal antibody production. Next question is which of the following statement is or are correct about Agrobacterium tumefaciens? This option 1 is correct. It contains tumor inducing plasmid. Option 2 is incorrect because it is gram negative soil bacteria. Option 3 is correct. Can be used for generation of transgenic plant, and it causes the crown gall diseases. So your correct answer could be 1, 3 and 4. Next question is which of the following cell organelle is or are surrounded by single phospholipid membrane? So Golgi apparatus and lysosome, these are the single membrane organelle. Mitochondria, nucleus and chloroplast are the double phospholipid membrane, having this double phospholipid membrane. Next question is match the autoimmune disease in group 1 with the corresponding primarily affected organs. So your correct answer for this question is first one, that is P to 4, and diabetes to the pancreas. Multiple sclerosis is associated with your brain, and Graves is for your skeleton muscle. Next question is, which of the following nucleus or nuclei is or are NMR active? So your possible correct answer is, as this is also multiple select answer, 1 and 13. 4. This is carbon 13 and 1 hydrogen. The coronavirus genome is consist of positive single-stranded RNA. The cellular process utilize RNA-induced silencing complex to block gene expression. So your possible correct answer would be this RNA interference. So in this question, the order of gene is given on a chromosome, and they are asking for which of the following rearrangement represent a paracentric inversion. So paracentric is inversion which do not involve this centromere. Okay, so in this, the possible correct answer is this third one, because here the inversion is occurring. So O and P, between O and P. Next question is, which of the following tool is used to compare all the possible 6 open reading frame of a given nucleotide query with all the available 6 open reading frame of the nucleotide sequence database? So your correct answer for this question is second one, T-BLAST X. Next question is, which of the following layers are formed from the inner cell mass of the blastocyst? So your possible correct answer would be 2, 3rd and 4th. These are the part of your ICM. Next question says, the process by which intracellular macromolecules are supplied for the lysosomal degradation during nutrient starvation. So autophagy is the process through which they are supplied for the lysosomal degradation during nutrient starvation. Next question is, which of the following method is used to test the significance of the predicted phylogeny? So your possible answer could be this bootstrap. Next question is, which of the following combination of plant hormone and their associated function is correct? So in this question, this oxalic acid induce cell division and ethylene is for ripening of fruit. So your correct answer is this Q and R only. This question says, tertiary structure of protein consists of alpha helix beta strand can be determined by. So the most possible correct answer is NMR spectroscopy, because in this question they are asking for tertiary structure of protein. So that's why NMR. So next question is, match hypersensitivity in group 1 with the corresponding condition in group 2. So your possible correct answer for this question would be this second one. And next question is, which of the following technique tool is not used for insertion of foreign gene into a cell? So your possible correct answer is this DNA microarray. So this is not used for insertion of foreign gene. So that's all for today. These are the most possible answer we can predict for the given question in the GATE. So see you in the next video with the answer of numerical type questions of the GATE biotechnology. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.